Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall the Skype app on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So earlier we didn't have the option to uninstall the Skype app. It had become a part of the system, but now it's very easy. Just search for Skype in the Windows search bar and click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again. It will read Skype is being uninstalled, and it will uninstall Skype in, let's say, a few minutes. And once it is uninstalled, how will you reinstall it? Search for Skype in the Microsoft Store. Okay, open the Microsoft Store and then search for the word Skype. Okay, and once you are here, then click on Skype and then click on install, and this will reinstall Skype on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.